In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video in CapCut with slow motion, step by step, so you can make your clips look smooth, cinematic, and much more professional. This is a super useful technique if you want to add impact to action shots, emphasize a moment, or simply give your edits a polished look without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open CapCut and load the project that contains the clip you want to slow down. Once your video is on the timeline, click on the clip to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before any speed adjustments can be applied. If you don't select the clip first, the speed settings won't affect the right section. After selecting your clip, look over to the right side panel and find the Speed tab. This is where CapCut keeps all the controls for adjusting playback speed. Click on Speed and you'll see the available options for changing how fast or slow your clip plays. For slow motion, you want to reduce the speed rather than increase it. Now, move the speed slider down to your desired speed. A common starting point is 0.5 times, which instantly gives your clip a slower, more dramatic feel. If you want the motion to be even slower, you can bring it down further depending on the style you want. Just keep in mind that extremely slow speeds can sometimes make the footage look less natural if the original clip was not recorded at a high frame rate. Once you've set the speed, look for the Smooth Slow option. Turn this on to help CapCut blend the motion more naturally. This step is especially helpful if the clip starts to look jittery or uneven after slowing it down. Smooth Slow can make a big difference in how clean the final result looks, especially for motion-heavy footage. Next, choose either Optical Flow or Frame Blend from the drop-down menu. These options help CapCut create smoother transitions between frames, which reduces choppy playback in slow-motion clips. Optical Flow is usually the better choice when you want the most fluid and realistic motion, while Frame Blend can also work well, depending on the footage. If one option doesn't look right, try the other and see which gives you the best result for your video. After making those adjustments, play the clip back and preview the result. Watch closely to see how the motion looks and whether the slowdown feels smooth enough. If it looks too fast, go back and lower the speed a little more. If it looks too choppy, try changing the interpolation setting or using a different clip with better source quality. The key is to preview, adjust, and refine until it looks exactly the way you want. If you're editing for social media, YouTube Shorts, or any kind of cinematic montage, slow motion can add a lot of style to your content. It can make transitions feel more dramatic, help highlight important details, and give your videos a more professional finish. CapCut makes this process very easy, even if you're just starting out. And that's how you edit video in CapCut slow motion, using the Speed tab, the Speed slider, and smoothing options like Optical Flow or Frame Blend. It only takes a few clicks, but it can completely change the look and feel of your edit. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.